So you guys, we just had an amazing lunch. Hubby said he thought the food could have been hotter. That was like the only thing. But we're sitting outside, so maybe that's why it, wasn't as hot. And we have an amazing view of the Parthenon. I think he said it's back there. And so now I guess we're gonna go walk around the market, see what's out there, and we're gonna go walk around the market and see what's out there. You can't see my bun, babe. I'm not holding it high enough. Okay, yeah. And yeah. America.
Somewhere.
North Carolina.
Nice.
Yeah.
I usually think for the high one something like this.
Yeah, something small like that.
Yes.
Yeah. It's like a
They have different design. This is got the Athena.
Oh, Athena.
The next.
Keep it on. Okay. Alright guys, so we're done. We're just relaxing. I could not leave the Acropolis or the, what is it? How do you say it? Parthenon. I could not leave the Acropolis or Parthenon without falling. It just wouldn't be my life if I didn't fall. But it's slippery up here, so that's a tip that I want to give y'all. If you come up here, I'll show you the sandals that I'm wearing. I didn't wear the best sandals. You need to either wear sneakers or a really good quality pair of sandals if you come up here, because it's marbled, it's rocks, these slippery rocks. It's, but I'm clumsy, so I will admit that. My husband didn't fall at all. But I fell, but nothing too serious. Now we're just enjoying the view. Probably get something to eat after this. I know hubby said he was hungry. I haven't had a gyro yet, so we have to do that while we're in Greece, right? It's really beautiful up here, even though, like I said, well, no, I didn't tell y'all that. I told them on Instagram, but it's 20 euros each to come up here. And, that's not cheap for like a tourist attraction. You're just walking around looking at old ruins, pretty much. But I would say it's worth it now that I'm up here. The views are amazing. So yeah, that's that. Hey guys, it's day 3 in Athens. It's our last day in Athens, and we're walking around looking at some shops, and then we're gonna do maybe one more tourist attraction. So let's go. in H&M. Why am I in H&M? Don't ask me. I just love to shop. I'm gonna try to be good because I have no room in my suitcase. It's a really big H&M. So apparently this is the shopping hub. They have H&M, Zara, Forever 21, Mango, Sephora. Every store you want is here in Athens. Mac, everything. So it kind of feels like America a little bit right now. Babe is not shopping. I'm telling them you're not shopping. What's that stadium called? Parthenon Olympic Stadium? Modern Olympic Stadium? You guys, I want to show you this elevator. Let me turn the light on. This elevator is super tiny. Oh, I have it on you, babe. Forgot. Here it is. Never been on an elevator this small before. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'll show you're gonna see how small it is, how close me and babe are to each other. Look how close we're standing to each other. This is wild. We're about to go to the modern Olympic Stadium. Not the stadium where the very first Olympics was held, but where the first modern Olympics was held, like in 18. I said 19. I don't know. I just watched the video about it. Fun fact, I hear they used to do the Olympics naked. A couple of things I read said that they were naked when they used to do the different sports activities. Strange, right? So yeah, we're pretty tired. We came back after shopping today and we're pretty tired, but we're pushing through and we're gonna go ahead and see this last touristy thing. Calling a cab because walking, we're done with walking until we get to our next destination. So we just ate. I had my first gyro in Greece. It was delicious. And hubby had some type of kebab.
Chicken?
Yeah. No, it wasn't chicken. That's a shame. We should know what kind of meat we just had. Now we're walking the city. Like, we've never done this before. Just like walked around, no plans. We usually go to fancy smancy restaurants but this time we really like walked around and experienced the city. Lots of walking. We've done lots and lots of walking.